When horses, pets, ornamental fish, or zoo animals need to be transported safely around the world, we focus on ensuring they're safely loaded and receive the best possible care, accommodation, and provisions while in transit. Our product, Live TD, is the perfect solution for your animals, with access to more than 300 destinations worldwide via Lufthansa passage aircraft and our freighters. The Frankfurt Animal Lounge, the most advanced animal station in the world, is at the heart of our animal transports. Our experienced and specially trained staff ensure all animals being shipped receive species-appropriate, round-the-clock care there. Official veterinarians work with us under one roof. With 42 large animal stalls, 39 dog kennels, special climate-controlled chambers ensuring constant ambient temperatures, and black light areas for examining ornamental fish, we guarantee the right solution for every animal requirement. Whether the animals are in transit, on the first leg of their journey, or already at their destination, they receive first-class care at the Frankfurt Animal Lounge. Your animal is in the best of hands with us.